so go see Jakpa, my president mama focus on adwuma. Say galamsey na agi going. And then do dita makro catch say import so 11 million. Na mo ba ma focus on my adwuma big push. Galamsey on be solve it. If president mama ade ba 4 years. Say president mama to me and solve it. Sa galamsey issue na sumi e mo hwa ake say obete ekufuado. Na sumi e be say no because everybody can remember. And 4 years, because see, President Mama is in a very peculiar position because on Senasu 8 years. On Senasu 8 years. Now the most a branch of kumawood a bread or so, and a President Mama system constitution. Ghana de Casa will be uncle him. Yem Busan, 70 million children, we are not so can and who can say President Rolling no your constitution. Ya 1 year maybe a branch constitution may entrench, and then on the bro for no. Oh, to me, so I can who are majority crowd or parliament to cross super majority? Who to me ko yi? Ntu to me ntena mo de obi aso ya ba ya ma that say that ya brani am ya class na President Mama ko. You guys President Mama no e John. Kamo na mo ba ye yi mani ye yi a. Yes some constitution mani ye simple sa. Say changing or amending an entrenched clause in the constitution. It's a simple matter. It's something that the president can just wake up or so ba no about the year. That say wo na kumawood no na abekache obeche President Mama nyansa wo na abekere ni so go change. This is an entrenched clause. And your clause I just a referendum yan so de keke enko change. The president cannot do that. Why be na won change it President Mama 4 years pe maybe or the rekopoku ba na Julius Braba na obeto aso ma no but 4 years no there's an obligation of President Mama to also solve galamsey no ono one kan we see a couple of time, no state of the emergency. Now they also may state of the emergency. Those are the questions that the President Mama to me are solving. Those are the questions that people will be asking him. And that is why at 4 years, the President Mama must not allow Jakpa. But I'm choosing my words very carefully. The president must not allow Jakpa because Jakpa need any ballot paper. Need any history books. President Mama na need history book. No matter what. Or yet then you do history books on Kolanke and Bebe Ababe Suano. So no Jakpa no coin, no more dada no na and a young coin, you need aging country manson. Nonsense. Only aging country manson. When there's a major policy, a priority area, I was a president focusing on. Big push no way. 24-hour economy no way. Oh, Jakpa, what teaching for now, boy, President Mama. I'm going to make 24-hour economy now. And you're moving very far. You're moving very far. And the boy say, and you many want to United Internet to your romance scam. And kaka 1 or 2 jobs didn't carry by next year now line up. You are going to arrest people. Godfrey Dame. Now who squad the begu? 70 lawyers. When trial say case no court, who best spend 100 years. Who we case neither. Lawyers see the technicalities better man's one. You bet to me a man so till that kingdom come. 100 years. This is a needless battle. This is a waste of time. Mama President Mama focus on the here. No, we here no. Say in the first 3 years, what you mean your 24-hour economy, no. That's a time we more. I don't know what I got say. But for me, if you ask me, sometimes they force away a diversionary taxes. Because there 1 week in the next is cost strike. Junior doctors is almost on cost strike. This is a clear diversionary taxes. Who to me, I'm a cock and Sunday, KT cockot and diversionary taxes. There is a major pressing matter. Before Ghana, next is cost strike. And next is issue. Get back credit and confront the online on my contribution on the Akomano. Galamsey is a major issue. Can I see now NDC that was in opposition that was calling for a state of emergency. NDC that said Nanado, went to me and and we all agreed Nanado went to me and now NDC is saying so that be wow President Mama fighting Galamsey Biano. Oh my pressure. No, be by the can a year say, can I see that? And me former boss can I see MPP. Now, Obia all can say, I'm fighting Galamsey no MPP. Seriously?
Young Quachas, your my issue statement to say, a fee national question mass, entimin Kwaswo. Because schools need Sika, one be convening and cry, I do a makwasa competition no. Until this year, dear no, enya maso, I'm on my issue letter, I'm a letter number over the weekends. Now, a more of them, make us me bosso. Say abaya dumso living kwa our mo jessica every month. 600 million Ghana series on dumso levy. Nanado dan kwa kofuado. E you su o mine petrol ye too much sika kakra. Any revenue ye nya kakra. And a dear sustain free education ya besin ne. Sa revenue na ni nya free petroleum product. And I oil ye too no mine Ghana mono. Aban we buy ogusoje. And so besin nano release bia mon release sika. And my secondary school to four. Ebetima boa ama ayi science and maths competition na ekwaso ewo various secondary schools na timabaso na banya uni sika de ba support science and maths competition no sa ban no dwana num say aye science technology engineering and maths ayi schools no or babe cinema masa hana odada no sa STEM schools no MPP aban start here STEM schools were ye topeti here ye select some schools ye start here uba Greater Accra kwa Bono Racing ukwa Western Region ukwa Asante Region ukwa Western Region ye say science technology engineering and maths. Yeah, Baba, because Sanyaman 9 way and the kita of mind be a development. Science, technology, engineering, and maths. And on the kita of mind be a development. Uko Japan, technology, and ama Japan adru sami. Engineering, and ama Japan adru ba, and ama Japan aye Japan. Uko Malaysia. Technology and ama Malaysia ye Malaysia. Okwa Singapore engineering and ama Singapore aye Singapore. And the MPP under Nanado Baumi administration no and ye say Sanya man a free Western region eba sina ko in Suta Asante region. And Crofobia to identify say railway quino ewo galamsey so enti ayi railway kwanya or mana boka ye na air cost over $3 billion no and ne ye didi asie afasie ye galamsey under His Excellency John Dramani Mahama administration railway akwanya Jogate honorable Jogate ye nya senkuma na enamu sa babasin konsuta no enne galamsey fo take over enti da kromo bate say train bi namu na buagum wom na accident kase yesi train bi akonya accident adan akoto galamsey amenam enti otu ababisa say na train so ye da koto galamsey amenam train kwan no Ghana fo because ye to abawie no and this vigilante boys and this vagabond boys tiase so ma pai na aba omo ni certificate no makoye adwuma e wo ministries enti omo de ne say enti trasem omo ye ma and this mo mba power no ombe kwa akoye enti trasem e wo forest mu asay oman no forest asay oman na japade enne train kwan wo Ghana ha ye galamsey wase producer produce video no man enini train kwan ayaye obi anhwe bi train kwanya na nado danko akofo ado ne baomi aban aboka ye no ya boka ye enamu from Western region ba insuta na piemu wa Asante region no ne NDC mrantia ne mabawa ne galamsey activities adi train kwan na faso no so o ma say train kwan no because of galamsey nti obi anhwe bi na Ghana need to meet trans NDC communicators etimi catch the media say galamsey abafama na train kwan MPP free aban so na sa kwan we na nye say netie Ni ya yene fe. And no man yi nadie 80% of the members of the national security una appoint to mamenchero. Why? National security, ewo IGP or a member. There was some rep as commissioners binu wo ha, wo mo wo ho, a wo control wo mo so. Security has ni nyina so far IGP, any police rep, IGP ba as a police head no, and sana Ghana Police Service was na rep. Ewo so. National Security Coordinator, when I was appointing as a National Security Coordinator or a member of the National Security Council. BNI, Director General, or a member of the National Security Council. Prison Service, Director General, or a member of the National Security Council. Fire Service, Director General, or a member of the National Security Council. Chief of Defense Staff, or a member of the National Security Council. Narcotic Board Control, Narcotic Authority, Director General, or a member of the National Security Council. President, some you signed the appointment letter and send a Ghana Bar Association rep. Abba. And you want to appoint some crofo and you took what Gina and you pardon him say. State of emergency, this is a national security advice. You be say national security tenacia. Why in the chair? Now, as a chairman of the national security, no, when initiate agenda for the council, I am the president. Una initiate agenda, and the agenda be I am saying it today. Say the president, as a chairman of the National Security Council, on fire agenda be national security about the state of emergency on Galamsey issue. Finito. And this asem no catch said this a national security advice no. And nipa na all kasa asem no want me advice no because on the agenda ko mumisa so the agenda akọ national security council say agenda na say person discuss about state of emergency on Galamsey issue. Onye bi da no mfaso nkoda or the bakwa this say 2027 because you have a coin election year. No more dia bring Ghana for needs to say. NDC, I feel on my 0 to fight. And no na me better to say no more year meeting say. Akwa president mama no more year meeting say. I bring you there. Man fanan tunkura me retire as a president. But I mean so the metia my baba can hold for me tum. Hold for me tum. Ye. That is MPP. Near Nanado Baumia, Aban Babaye, no. Not the deputy governor, Kojina ho, no, see domestic gold purchase program, no, and Natima Boa, na eno, ma yusuo. Sorry, gold unkwana, sa gold for oil, e buy, no. Yetima Jina suo, I yusu gold, e diatria oil ka, 2023 to 2025 for. A year 27.63 tons of gold. And a year you saw a dear tria 1.95 million metric tons of petroleum product under the gold for oil a policy. Until you, ya de policy ni buy no. Gold wa yetima through the domestic buyers in the Bank of Ghana no. Gold wa yetima yusu. The Accra petroleum product yaba kroma in cities. I 27.63 tons of gold. And I had the petroleum product of 1.9 million metric tons of petroleum product near the Tiaka. And then, so more bonteno, I'm a phone bemono. Mon converted 27.6 tons of gold. And $5 man Hesika involved. And were low. Na say, ufa 2022 na say who converted 1.9 million metric tons of petroleum product ya ade akose $1 ya sika no bebre na nkoman no you need that capacity to import. You need that capacity to import 1.9 metric tons of petroleum product. You need that capacity no because you need that no because you best say a city $1 na mom and nam say gold for oil buy near the gold near 20 sa petroleum quantities we no atimaba ama ensaya den aka